A track from my Thomas Minis. Hi, my name is Pierce. Do you want to play with me?
Hey guys, look at what Pierce is playing with today. We love the Thomas Minis, but we didn't have a track for them to play with. You know, I went online and I did a little research and I found this wonderful track system from Tiny Rails on Etsy. And they just put it together and man, it's pretty cool. We love it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thomas, get out of my way! Thomas, get...
If you're interested in learning more about this, go to our comment section. We've got some information there for you. And hey, we're also looking to order more. What color should we order in?
Green.
He says green, I said blue. But red's his favorite color. What's your favorite color? Let us know.
Get out of my way. Thank you. Guys, I think I got a head in there right now.
Excuse us.
Oh, sorry.
You have to leave.
Oh,
You're stuck.
sorry. Hey, Dad, show her the coupling.
This coupling piece is another thing that just makes this set wonderful. It really helps the train stay together. If you know anything about Thomas Minis, they couple together. They don't stay together. This attachment helps them out. As you can see, you slide it in, it turns, and then you attach
One more.
train
Okay.
and zoom it away.